Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President Meghachandra has expressed serious concern over the poor quality, lack of transparency and non-compliance with DPR norms in the ongoing construction of the Imphal-Ukhrul-Jesami Road National Highway 202 undertaken by NH-202 as well as the Ukhrul-Toloi-Tadubi Road National Highway 102A. Speaking in this regard, Meghachandra informed that essential works such as proper boot cutting, slope stabilization and fresh road formation clearly mandated in the detailed project report DPR are not being carried out. Instead, construction activities are being undertaken directly over the existing old road, which is technically unsound and dangerous, especially in hilly and landslide-prone regions like Ukhrul, Jesami and adjoining areas. He asserted that constructing national highways without proper pooch cutting compromises road strength, public safety and durability and will inevitably lead to road failure, frequent landslides and repeated wastage of public funds. Speaking further, Meghachandra demanded immediate inspection by an independent technical team, public disclosure of DPR provisions and work components, strict enforcement of quality control norms, weak monitoring and supervision, fixing responsibility on NHIDCL officials and contractors and time-bound corrective measures, while also warning that Congress will continue to raise these issues at every forum and will not allow the government to compromise the safety and rights of the people of Ukhrul and other hill districts.
Imphal Ukhrul Road is okay matik patre sembadi semja lai adubo sahi manga trupi sure masigi semba hogi base hauju phawda lambi chi improvement se thoina ude adagi tender se masiju 50% maya da lowest lawna hiba mayam se karmaina 50% gi maya da lowest lawri no aduna tender se amu ado ka jin ga su mu tawre government na tawri se akhoi su gyan min ta de adagi hauzik semi base construction company am su silaga sileba matung da paikhat ni base masiju quality se maintain tawre quality lai jaba nung chi nei adagi tender process su soiba adagi den Suriba Karasisu quality later. Me may am Pura, a sea war that was in a Funmayam, Adromasi Gomena, Masi Seres, or in a Paikati, I was sympathy, I call the sporter, the game with Adukimati, and the bad condition that lay